Good evening to you. We're turning now to your extended KSBY microclimate forecast. This is a shot of Pismo Beach from earlier today, all thanks to 805 webcams. The regional and local radar model shows that we're not seeing any rain in the forecast at this time. Temperatures right now are fairly cool across the central coast as we're seeing onshore flow pulling in that cooler air even into the interior. So we're not seeing warmer conditions in the deep interior at this time. So California is under an extended troughing pattern. However, by Sunday evening or afternoon and evening, as the trough digs further south of the region, gusty northwest winds will occur for the southwestern portion of Santa Barbara County. And by Monday, we're going to see more troughing moving into our region, which may influence some drizzle that we could be seeing on the central coast. So here's what we're expecting to see tonight. We're not seeing gusty winds tonight. That's going to pick up by tomorrow afternoon, where we could see wind gusts reaching near 30 miles per hour in California Valley and Paso Robles. So luckily tonight it won't be as windy, but tomorrow will be the concern out in the deep interior. You'll notice wind speeds are also going to be increasing over that 20 mile per hour mark out in the coastal valleys, and we'll start to see those sundowner winds moving back into the central coast by tomorrow night. We're seeing low clouds and fog affecting our coastal valleys and communities down along the south coast tonight. We are going to see night through morning low clouds and fog for our coastal communities, so it's going to be quite a cloudy start tomorrow. The interior may possibly even see those low clouds starting to creep into areas like Paso Robles, but by tomorrow afternoon you can see we are going to see widespread coverage of low clouds and fog, and this is because the deep marine layer is going to start lifting, and we are going to see that low pressure system starting to move in, which may bring some marine drizzle into some of our coastal areas. So we could be seeing some rainfall occurring in our western beaches and some coastal valleys by Sunday afternoon into Sunday night. And you can see by Monday morning, we could also see some drizzle taking place in some other western beaches and coastal valleys for the start of this upcoming work week. We're still seeing that cooling trend this weekend, as we talked about this week. And this Paso Robles will see a high temperature of 77 degrees on Sunday, 69 in San Luis Obispo, upper 60s in Santa Maria, Lompoc, Santa Barbara, seeing a high temperature of 66 degrees. Our north coast beaches are going to be very cooler, ranging throughout the 50s and 60s. 81 in San Miguel, 72 in Atascadero, 68 in Avila Beach. Down in the 5 cities, our temperatures are going to be fairly cooler in the 50s and 60s, upper 80s or 70s, excuse me, in Shandon and California Valley. The Santa Ynez Valley will see high temperatures in those mid to low 70s, 83 in Cuyama, 71 in Los Alamos, 63 in Carpinteria, and 66 in Goleta. Here's your 7-day forecast. So again, we're going to see that cooling trend for the remainder of this weekend and the start of the upcoming work week. You'll notice by Tuesday, temperatures are expected to tick up just slightly in Paso Robles by Tuesday, and San Luis Obispo seeing temperatures moving back up in those low 70s. Santa Maria also seeing low clouds and fog, and you'll notice by this upcoming weekend we are expecting to see plenty of sunshine in the forecast. A regional temperature shows that Palm Springs will see a high temperature of 98 degrees on Sunday, 89 in Bakersfield, 84 in Fresno. 8 to 14-day temperature outlook shows that we could see some warm conditions towards the end of the month. Precipitation outlook shows that drier conditions are expected in Northern California.